My name is Kelsey Sweet and this is my video submission for 3.6. So for our first question, we are given that f of x equals 5 over x minus 3x. And we want to find f prime of -2. So first we need to find the derivative of 5 over x minus 3x. So the derivative, well, first we can pull this x up to a -1 exponent. So we're going to find the derivative of 5x to the -1 with respect to x minus the derivative of 3x with respect to x. And so we can pull this 5 out, find the derivative of x to the -1 with respect to x, minus, and we can pull this 3 out, find the derivative of x with respect to x, and so we get 5 times by, and using the exponent rule, we can bring this -1, and -1 minus 1 will be x to the -2 minus 3, and the derivative of x is 1. So we get 5 times by -1 is -5 over, and we're going to bring this back down into fraction, so it'll be x squared minus 3 times 1 is 3. So that is our derivative of f of x. And we want to find the f derivative of -2. So we have -5 over -2 squared minus 3, which equals -5 over 4 minus 3, which 3, to get this to 4, we're gonna 12, so -5 minus 12 is -17 over 4. So the derivative of f of x using -2 is -17 over 4. For our second question, we need to find y prime where y equals 3 cos x. So first we have to find the first derivative. So y prime of, so the derivative of 3 cos x with respect to x equals, we can pull this 3 out. Oops, let's move it down a little. So we can pull this 3 out. The derivative of cos x with respect to x. And the derivative of cos x is negative sine x. So we have 3 times by negative sine x, which equals -3 sine x. So that's our first derivative. And then to find our second derivative, we just take the derivative of this. So y double prime equals the derivative of -3 sine x with respect to x. So again, we're going to pull out this -3, derivative of sine x with respect to x, which equals -3 times by the derivative of sine x is cos x. So our answer, the double the y double prime of 3 cos x is negative 3 cos x. So for our third question, we are given f of x equals the square root of 4x to the x squared minus x cubed. So I'm going to use the chain rule for this, and according to the chain rule, we're going to take f of x, which is going to be square root of something, and then g of x equals something, which is 4x squared minus x cubed. And we're going to times these by each other. So first, the derivative of a square root is 1 over 2 square root of whatever it is, which is 4x squared minus x cubed, all times by, and so we want to take the derivative of this, which will be the derivative of 4x squared minus the derivative of x cubed with respect to x, which equals, with the exponent rule, we take the 2 times, first we'll pull this 4 out, 4 derivative of x squared with respect to x minus derivative of x cubed with respect to x. So we're going to take this 2, and so we get 4 times by 2, and then 2 minus 1 is going to be 1, so then we have x to the 1, and then we're going to take this 3, pull it down, times by x. 3 minus 1 is 2, so x squared. So then we have 4 times 2 is 8x minus 3x squared. So then we're going to put this up here. So we have 8x minus 3x squared. I'm going to erase this to make some room. So these times by each other just gives us 8x minus 3x squared all over 2 square root of 4x squared minus x cubed. And that's our answer for the derivative of square root of 4x squared minus x cubed. And that's it.